In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about adding chapters to your YouTube video after your YouTube video has already been uploaded. So basically, when we go through the video editing process prior to uploading to YouTube, I have it's called a template. And I've already established the times that each one of the exercises, since it's for a fitness related channel, needs to be put in. So it makes it really easy for me to be able to just simply copy this. And then lately I've been taking out all of the mentions like this and getting rid of it and adding the chapters right after the 3 hashtags in my description box. So, and you don't want to go too overboard. So, you know, obviously all of this doesn't need to be mentioned at all, because the people that are looking into this video, or the consumers that are going to be looking into your video, are most likely only going to be interested in the exercises that are being presented in the video. So you can take all the rest of that stuff out and then kind of just leave this in. And then you'll notice at the end it goes into the subscribe and then work with Brent again. You want to eliminate that as well. So now I've got my chapters all added to the description area in this. YouTube lately, this is one of the new things that YouTube's algorithm is really showing favor to, is videos that have added chapters into their description box to make it easier for the consumer to kind of view the video at areas that they may be interested in. So it's kind of helping for that, hey, let's show the consumer love by allowing them ease of access to exactly what they're looking for. This also helps with ranking your videos on the Google side, because if you didn't know, Google is #1 as far as search engines are concerned. YouTube is #2, and Google owns YouTube. So they work in collaboration when ranking your videos. So if you have these added in, it's going to help push any blog post that you might attach to the YouTube video itself and give it favor, or even give it access to a featured snippet box that's listed on top of even the #1 ranking blog. So just keep that in mind. Those are some of the reasons why you may want to start popping in the chapters into your description box. And this is how you would go about doing that. So for more videos just like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss another episode. And until then, I will see you in the next video.